Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Today is the first day of 20 days of cut files from Confessions of a Paper Addict. I am on the Cut Files design team, so you're going to see 20 different cut files from me over the next 20 days. And yes, it is not December 1st because we are on New Zealand time when we are doing this. So 20 days of cut files, and I'm doing all of them. So this is what you're going to get from me for the design team this month. We also have prompts, which is super fun. So the first one I have is, this is the candy cane cut file. And it's actually supposed to be this direction. I started backing it and didn't realize I put it the wrong way. Today's prompt, and this is an oldie but goodie. This one's been around for a while now. But today's prompt is make it sparkle. So I have a decent amount of this Cartabella collection left. I think, did I get it last year possibly? Maybe. But it's Farmhouse Christmas. So I have tons of embellishments, not as many papers left. And I have a photo of my family and I from 2016. It's our little family photo. And I thought just with our colors and what we're wearing, this collection would be perfect because it's all the deep, rich colors. So I went ahead and backed the leaves with the green pattern paper. I did the candy cane red part with a different pattern paper. I kind of made a pattern, and then I did a black bow. But how I'm going to add some sparkles as I went ahead and I took the pieces from the cut file right there and I covered them with some stickles. This is the glitter gel moon dust. So I wanted them to be white, so I wanted more of a clear, glittery thing. So I've got those all done. They're nice and dry. So now when I put it down on my page, I can just lay them in there like tiles. And then I also took the berries and covered them in some Wed Wagon Shimmers paint as well. So now I've got some sparkly berries and sparkly white parts of my candy cane. So that is what I've got. I have some trimming of my photo to do. I'm going to do some layering up. I have one 12 by 12 piece from this collection yet, and it turns out it's the perfect one. It's the shiplap one. So I'm going to get the branding strip trimmed off and figure out how I want to kind of construct my layout, and we will get started. All right, so I've backed my photo with black cardstock and green cardstock that comes in this collection, and I've kind of nestled it into the candy cane, and all I've just done is taken a bunch of my leftovers and started layering them up, and I kind of like this. It's leaving me a nice little nestled spot for a title. I think I'm gonna trim this in two and get some black down here as well. And then we just got a layered kind of diagonal look going. I'm gonna cut, I got my little die cutter out. I'm gonna do a couple labels or tabs with some of these little scraps to get some other green patterns and such on parts of the layout. And yeah, we're gonna, oh yeah, I want to do a little black. So I just want to get some color kind of sprinkled around, and then I will just have this leftover stuff. So I'm gonna get my dies out, which I have L Studio dies, and then we can start gluing down these layers. And then I'm gonna see about, I don't know, I don't think I'll stamp. But yeah, we'll see about doing something behind this, but I kind of am liking just all the layering and the colors and everything. So let me trim this down, get some things die cut, and then we'll start gluing down. I'll start putting those inlaid pieces in. All right, I've decided I just need some green splatters, I think, in the background behind everything. So we're just gonna grab some Rustic Wilderness, the closest thing. I glued those pieces down. We'll glue those down once I just glued all these little pieces together. Just want a little bit of something around where the candy cane's gonna be. That part just looks a little bare, so we're gonna do a little splatter up here, do a little splatter down here. Especially by the candy cane. And then we have tons of embellishments to play with, so I'm not too worried about not having anything Just a little bit of something needed to be in the background, I feel like. There. Most of it should have. Oh, and what I love is somehow I got glitter in there. I'm not sure how I did it, but I did it. Must have been some on the paper or on my glass nap. See, now I have all these lovely pieces pieced together. I think I'm going to also put a lot of glue first on here. And then I think I'm going to pop these up on foam. Okay. Awesome. All right, I'm going to get those pieces inlay in there and we'll go from there. All right, that's all glued. I want to just use like one of these already kind of done Merry Christmas things. This one's a little too small, I feel like, for going right here. So let's see what we have. Ooh, in the frames and tags. These are all really good for like cards and such. Ooh, we can tuck some of these in places to bring some more of that, those colors. Marry everything. I like that. It's not what I'm going to use, but I like it. And this Merry Christmas. Or the have yourself a merry little Christmas. Merry and bright. That would be cute because it could go, it would bring some of that wood grain in. Just tuck it right there. We'll leave this little joy tag right there. I don't know, doesn't that look awkward? Is it because there's plaid here maybe? If I do this. How about this one? But with that plaid there, that looks silly, I feel like. If I did it right here. It's big, it's better, but maybe that's it. Maybe this the size is just off. And then we'll check out the stickers and the chipboard and figure what else we're gonna do. All right, so I've got some enamel dots. I started playing with some of these puffies. I'm just kind of, I didn't even put that down yet. Kind of tucking in. I don't really want that. We can do comfort and joy down here though. Tiny little holly, tiny little tree. Another little holly leaf right there. A pine cone. Pine cone. I like little pine cones, honestly. What else can we put? I want to put something like right there. This little 25th. Yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who is playing along with the 20 days of Cutfiles down below, and go check out the shop and the Facebook group. There are freebies. There's a new release day 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then there's freebies as well. So make sure you guys go grab those while you can. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.